Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I wanted to show you something else on this Canadian Club website. If you go back up to the top here, here's all the other things that are available. And then here is the Radio HF new Internet newsletter. You click on that, it takes you down here and tells you about this users group, which it's a great users group. They also, matter of fact, I'm going to go there. We click on that. So this is the group all about radio, and it has, where'd it go? It has a newsletter or something similar too. So we just click on February, and here it is, February 2019 Radio HF Internet Newsletter. You click on that, and there it is. More valuable information. Wow. Man, Race, you sent me some good links here. So here's all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to click on this because we can just get lost in all this stuff. Let's go back. And go back. Okay, now we're back here to the Canadian Club. And then down here is links to other sites. There is Glenn's website, which I told you I subscribe to. He provides, and he has for a while, long time, provides a lot of information about radio broadcasts and all kinds of stuff like that related to shortwave and other frequencies. There's Primetime Shortwave, which is a listing of the English shortwave broadcast. I've shown you that listing in the past. Here's the SWLING website, which is all kinds of information about shortwave listening and radios and everything. Here is the SWLING post blog. It's another one. Here's dxing.com. I don't recall that one. I probably have forgotten and gone there, forgot. Here's the National Radio Club. I could spend hours going through each one of these. Radio Amateurs of Canada, ARRL, of course. Ears of the World, another one. I might just try one. I can see I don't remember what this one is. I probably will when I go there. Let's go there for a second. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember this. I've been here 1,000 times. I've done a couple of shows on all the information that's on this. And look at all the links. I mean, it's like a plethora. Wow. I didn't realize I knew a big word of information. If you find any stuff like this that I haven't mentioned, let me know so I can pass it on to everyone else. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.